Imagine you're opening a new restaurant. Everything is set, the decor, the menu, and even the staff. But then you realize you have no idea how to manage your inventory. It's a daunting task, but it's essential for the success of your business. That's where TouchBistro comes in. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up TouchBistro inventory, from creating item categories to tracking stock levels. Ever had a customer ask for a dish only to find out you're out of stock? It's a frustrating experience for both you and your customer. With TouchBistro inventory, you can avoid these situations and ensure you always have what you need. Before we dive into the setup process, let's understand why inventory management is crucial. It helps you reduce food costs. By tracking what you're using, you can identify areas of waste and adjust your ordering accordingly. Prevents stockouts. Ensure you always have enough ingredients on hand to meet customer demand. Improve profitability. By optimizing your inventory, you can increase your profit margins. Setting up TouchBistro inventory. 1. Creating item categories. Start by creating item categories. This helps you organize your inventory and make it easier to track specific items. For example, you might create categories like produce, meat, seafood, and dairy. 2. Adding items. Once you've created your categories, start adding individual items. For each item, you'll need to provide name, a clear and concise name for the item. Description, a detailed description of the item, including size, brand, and any relevant specifications. Category, assign the item to the appropriate category. Unit of measure, specify the unit of measure, e.g., pounds, ounces, pieces. Purchase price, enter the price you pay for the item. Selling price, set the price at which you'll sell the item. Par level, determine the ideal quantity of the item to have on hand at any given time. 3. Tracking stock levels. TouchBistro allows you to track stock levels in real time. As you receive shipments or use items, you can update the stock levels accordingly. This helps you stay on top of your inventory and avoid stockouts. 4. Using inventory reports. TouchBistro offers a variety of inventory reports that can help you analyze your inventory data. These reports can provide insights into food costs, usage patterns, and potential areas for improvement. 5. Tips for effective inventory management. Here are some tips for effective inventory management. Conduct regular inventory counts. This helps ensure accuracy and identify any discrepancies. Set realistic par levels. Avoid overstocking or understocking by setting appropriate par levels. Use FIFO, first in, first out, rotate your stock to ensure you're using older items first. Monitor food costs. Keep track of your food costs to identify areas where you can save money. Train your staff. Ensure your staff understands how to properly handle and track inventory. Setting up TouchBistro inventory may seem like a daunting task, but it's a valuable investment in the long run. By following these steps and implementing effective inventory management practices, you can improve your restaurant's profitability and ensure a smooth operation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy inventory management.